Hello class, this week we're going to get into some of the finer points of online marketing. We'll talk about landing pages and we will get into basic SEO or search engine optimization. So let's talk about landing pages first. A landing page is the page where your visitors end up after they click on an ad. So they talk in this video about sealing the deal. Does your landing page seal the deal? It's where you close the sale, if you will. This means that someone is interested enough in your advertisement and what you offer to click on it. And what you want is a landing page that delivers on what you promise in the advertisement. The thing I love about marketing is it's still about integrity. If somebody reads something on your advertisement that they want, that appeals to them, you have to make sure you deliver. A customer is judging your integrity as a company from the very beginning. And so if you promise something on the advertisement and you only deliver partially, or you overpromise and underdeliver, you're going to start off with a bad experience. And in an online store or an online business, their measure of that integrity is this landing page. They have the promise in the advertisement or something that's caught their eye, and you want to make sure the landing page is a great experience. That means it loads quickly so that they will actually stick around to see it, and then the promise or commitment you made in the advertisement is clearly visible and quickly accessible. Those are my simple suggestions for a landing page. There's obviously much more detailed explanations here, and then you will submit a Word document that explains some recommended changes to a landing page, and then you'll go through an in-depth analysis of one of your landing pages and submit that. The next topic is basic search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is something that people spend their career on currently. If you are unfamiliar with search engine optimization, the basic process or the way that a search engine like Google works, Google being the most popular, is that they will send out spiders or bots, they will call them, to every website on the internet. And those bots will scan those pages for content and bring that information back to Google, and Google will then document all of that and rank sites based on that experience. And so the content and user experience of your website will determine how high you're ranked on Google when someone searches out the keywords that you're focused on. That's the basics of search engine optimization. So to be good at search engine optimization means you need to structure your website appropriately. And that's what this lesson will walk you through, how to structure your website so that you can be found on Google. Now that is extremely powerful because if search engine optimization doesn't require a direct financial investment like Google Ads does. If you spend time and effort and you're very good at search engine optimization, people will find you for free. You won't spend anything more than the time you spend on search engine optimization or on optimizing your website for search engines. So that's why this is a very influential form of marketing. So you'll go through and understand that, again, this is basic search engine optimization. There are many complex things you can do, but hopefully you'll pull away some basic improvements from here. And then later on in the course, we'll go a little bit deeper into a couple of these for your website. But in this Word document, we just want you to list the 5 best things you can do and explain your reasoning. And then for 3 of your web pages, list a keyword that you want to optimize for each one. And then finally, use the backlink checker. Backlinks are links that are pointed to your website. That tells Google that you are an authority on the subject that other people are relying on, or that you have a popular website that other people like to visit. So backlinks are very powerful. It's okay that you have no backlinks. If that's what Ahrefs comes back and tells you you have no backlinks, that's okay. we'll go into a whole strategy about that later on in the course. And then there's some additional content on here. If you are serious about your web business and the future of it and want to be successful, this is definitely a key component to that. Over time, everything we do in the course will help you. SEO is required for long-term online business success. So that will be it for this week. These things will also help you a bit in the project you're working on, especially the landing page optimization. That will play into that. Then after your discussion board, you'll have your reflection, of course. Please reach out to me if you have questions about how to optimize your landing page, your website, or anything about search engine optimization. I'd be happy to go in depth with you. Thanks.